Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. The theme for today was Mycenaean, which is, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. It's from the latter part of the Bronze period in Greece. And so these are all Greek in theme in some way. And this is based off of a prompt builder that I built for free AI. So this should run well on the free version of ChatGPT or the free version of Claude. I stripped down the original prompt builder I had, which was about 30,000 tokens, to about 3,000, and have been really happy that it didn't seem to make a difference in terms of the quality of the prompts and the images that we're seeing. And something that I've really liked about this is the wide variety of ideas that the AI is producing from this theme. So you have everything from art installations, to movie sets, to different style reference codes, and you've got archaeological scenes, animated animations, all sorts of different things. Punk rock, isometric. This was kind of an interesting idea. Mycenaean themed amusement park concept art. Just a couple more to show. All right, this one also I liked. I liked a lot of these, but you can see this is quite a different idea. And these are all being generated from a prompt builder for Midjourney, and I will make this available. It already is available on my blog post. You can just copy and paste it, try it out on either the free version of ChatGPT or Claude and see how it works. It should work well, at least on the testing I've been doing so far. Just copy and paste it from the URL that I'll provide in the description of the video. And thanks for watching. Until next time.